Welcome back to NBC 24 today. Now we're being joined by Great Lakes Credit Union CEO and President David Seeger for our Money Monday here at 5:50. Thanks for coming in today.
You bet. Good morning.
I always thank you for coming in, though. I always expect you to be here.
That's right.
It's always good to see you. How are we looking this morning? I know we've had some weeks of a little bit of trouble, instability, and then others not. Where are we at today?
Instability again. Here we go.
Oh, no.
And not with Greece this time, but in general now is China. As a matter of fact, breaking financial news overnight, China, their stock market dropped 8%. So, and it's in a downward spiral.
Now, that's a significant drop, isn't it?
It is, very much so. Asia is down in general. Europe is open right now, and they're all down, which is affecting our pre-open. Right now, the Dow's looking at a pre-open of minus 42, S&P 4, and NASDAQ 15.50. Price of oil, 47.83. Late spring, early summer, we're looking about $60 a barrel. Now it's 47.83 a barrel. And it's a reflection of commodities. It's they're all depressed. It's probably a worldwide slowdown economically. That's what they're worried about. And we're going to have to see on this Thursday, because our GDP numbers coming out, which is a measurement of our growth and for what we were for the second quarter. And 2.5%, 3%, if we don't hit that mark, it's going to shake us up as well as the rest of world markets. So the market is kind of excited right now. We went from one thing to another.
That we have, and it seems like we're always going from one thing to another.
That's right. That's the nature of the markets.
What is your forecast? I guess, what do you think that we will see come Thursday?
I'm thinking we might see weaker numbers than they anticipate, based upon what we've seen in other areas. Earnings are pretty good right now from corporations. The news has been pretty decent, but I think we're seeing a bit of a slowdown more than what they anticipated.
Well, now going back to China and Asia this morning, as they're down in China, significantly down, how will that continue to affect us here?
And we get contagion effect. I would imagine we're going to see these numbers be even worse than 42 down right now in terms of the opening market and pre-market trading. I expect to see us probably a little lower than that. Right now, as of last week, we've lost all of our gains for the year in terms of the Dow. And as of last Friday. So Friday was not a great day either in the market. So it's looking pretty tough right now. Not panic mode or anything else, but just a little rough.
Thank goodness we are not in panic mode just yet, so need to just keep a watchful eye out to see what is to come. Anything else before you leave us during this half hour?
Not much else we can talk about. Actually, we're talking about for our next hour, we're talking about common mistakes when buying a new car. We're going to look at some things you can avoid when buying a new car.
Good things to note there. David, thank you so much. See you back here in just